In this video, we'll show you how to upload a document. Click on the blue New Document button. For document upload, you have the option to use a cloud provider, OneDrive, Dropbox, or SharePoint. Alternatively, you can browse your computer or drag and drop a file. At a time, you can upload up to 20 files with a total size limit of 40 megabytes. You can easily change around the order of the files as well. When all your files are uploaded, click Save to Folder. In this dialog, you can change the name of the file to anything you need. And decide whether you want the files to upload as one merged document or individual files. You can assign a document category defined in your organization and choose a destination folder where the document will be uploaded. You can choose between private or shared folders based on who should have access to this document. You can also add an attachment to the document. The upload options are the same as when you upload the main file, and you can upload a total of 20 files. In the Advanced Settings tab, you can set document validity, useful for documents that need to be renewed or are only valid until a certain date. You can assign labels to your document. Shared labels are visible to other users in your organization, while private labels are only visible to you. You can apply multiple labels at once. Once everything is set, click Upload. You will be taken to the location where your document was uploaded. By clicking on the document, you open its preview, where you can see the document's contents. On the right side is a view of the document's details: the creator, status, any applied labels. By clicking on a specific label, you will be taken to a view of all documents with that specific label applied. You can also see the assigned document category, location of the file, set validity, and manage attachments to the documents. The other tabs are Comments and Activity. Under Comments, you can write a comment and mention a specific user to bring their attention to the document. Your comment can be internal, visible only to other members, or public, visible to external recipients as well. If the mentioned user didn't have access to the document before, they will gain view rights to it. You can also link related documents via comments if they are relevant to the main file. Under Activity, you can see every action taken on the document since its creation. You can also prepare the document for signing, which is shown in another video guide.